Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
This is Naye, your voice for today's headlines. It's Monday, January 5th. Here is what we are covering. The pharmaceutical industry is heavily investing in AI for drug discovery, with significant optimism for future payoffs. Insilico Medicine's Rentosertib, the first AI-discovered drug, is set to enter a Phase 3 clinical trial soon, potentially reaching FDA approval faster than traditional methods. AI investments are expected to increase, with projections indicating the global drug industry's AI spending will rise to $16.49 billion by 2034. Notable figures like OpenAI CEO Sam Altman are investing heavily in AI-based drug startups, reflecting growing confidence in AI's potential to enhance R&D efficiency. Eli Lilly is a leader in AI adoption, partnering with NVIDIA to create an AI factory and collaborating with Insilico Medicine to develop new therapies. Despite the hype, experts like Diogo Rao of Lilly acknowledge AI's limitations, particularly in human trials. However, AI's role in discovering new molecules is promising. Insilico's Rentosertib, a treatment for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, has shown positive results in early trials, highlighting AI's potential to accelerate drug development. Venture capitalists are betting on AI's success, with significant investments in AI drug development firms. The introduction of AlphaFold 2 by Google DeepMind has further fueled excitement, enabling predictions of molecular structures and earning a Nobel Prize. AI is expected to transform drug discovery by 2030, with some anticipating changes even sooner. AI's potential contrasts with the image's authenticity. The New York Times reports on the scrutiny surrounding a photo shared by President Trump, purportedly showing Venezuelan leader Nicolás Maduro in custody aboard a U.S. warship. Following Trump's announcement of Maduro's capture, the image was posted on social media, depicting a blindfolded and handcuffed man in a gray sweatshirt. Given Trump's history of sharing AI-generated images, the Times photo editors, led by Clinton Cargill, were tasked with verifying its authenticity. They used AI detection tools and consulted with disinformation expert Stuart Thompson, who noted inconsistencies in other circulating images, such as unusual window placements in an aircraft hold. Despite some AI detection sites not definitively identifying the images as AI-generated, the uncertainty and differing details in Maduro's clothing led to their exclusion from publication. The Times was cautious about publishing government handout images due to potential biases and unverifiable authenticity. Ultimately, the decision was made to publish the image within the context of Trump's Truth Social post, rather than as an isolated news photo, to maintain journalistic integrity. This approach allowed the Times to report on the newsworthiness of the president's post while acknowledging the limitations in verifying the image's authenticity. The decision underscores the ongoing challenges in journalism to balance news value with the credibility of visual content. From images, we move to Samsung. CES 2026 will feature a range of innovations from major tech companies like Samsung, LG, and AMD. Expect to see advancements in RGB TV technology, with Samsung and LG showcasing large displays. Intel and AMD will introduce new laptop chips, including Intel's Panther Lake and AMD's Ryzen 7 9850X 3D, aimed at enhancing PC gaming. Robots, such as LG's Cloyd, will also be present, though details remain sparse. Foldable phones are anticipated, with Samsung's Galaxy Z Trifold and a new Motorola Foldable potentially making appearances. Smart glasses are gaining traction, likely influenced by Meta's Ray-Ban collaboration. AI integration will be prevalent across devices, enhancing functionality and user experience. Samsung connects directly to Arrive. Arrive AI Inc. has developed the Arrive Point, a smart mailbox system that integrates with people, robots, and drones to automate the delivery process. This system is part of their autonomous last-mile platform, which offers secure, efficient delivery with real-time tracking and chain-of-custody controls. The technology is designed to optimize logistics, particularly in healthcare, by enabling autonomous deliveries of biospecimens and medical supplies. Arrive AI has partnered with Hancock Regional Hospital to implement this system, using Autonomy's Autobot robots for internal hospital deliveries. This innovation reduces the need for medical staff to handle logistics, allowing them to focus more on patient care. Arrive AI plans to showcase its technology at CES 2026 in Las Vegas. Arrive connects to high ratings. The review system for products and software has shifted from its original purpose of providing genuine consumer guidance to becoming a strategic tool for businesses. High ratings and positive reviews are now seen as essential for driving sales, leading companies to manipulate the system through tactics like review gating and incentivizing positive feedback. This manipulation has resulted in a decline in consumer trust, with fewer people relying on online reviews as much as personal recommendations. Companies often time their requests for reviews to coincide with positive customer experiences, while negative feedback is diverted to private channels. Platforms reward high ratings with better visibility, creating a feedback loop that prioritizes engagement and conversion over authenticity. Consumers have adapted by seeking advice from private networks, cross-checking reviews across multiple sources, and relying on personal experience through trials and return policies. The erosion of trust in the review economy presents a challenge and an opportunity for platforms. They risk losing credibility and influence over purchase decisions, but could regain consumer trust by emphasizing authenticity, verifying purchases, and cracking down on fraudulent practices. Some platforms maintain integrity by avoiding pay-for-play tactics, demonstrating that genuine reviews are still possible. The current state of the review economy suggests a need for evolution in how trust is established and maintained online. High ratings leads to efficient marketing. HubSpot explains how to calculate and improve the marketing efficiency ratio, MER, a key metric for assessing marketing performance. MER is calculated by dividing total revenue by marketing expenses, providing insight into the return on investment for marketing activities. A higher ratio indicates more efficient marketing. To improve MER, businesses should focus on optimizing their marketing strategies, reducing unnecessary expenses, and enhancing customer targeting. Regularly reviewing and adjusting marketing tactics based on performance data can lead to better resource allocation and increased profitability. HubSpot suggests using tools like customer relationship management systems to track and analyze marketing efforts. By refining these strategies, companies can achieve a more effective and efficient marketing approach. Efficient marketing connects directly to organizations. Recent research highlights a significant gap between AI adoption and realized business value in HR, with many organizations failing to achieve expected returns. The issue lies not in the technology or employee resistance, but in the lack of strategic governance and implementation frameworks. Despite high employee enthusiasm for AI, with 65% excited about its use and 62% reporting time savings, most organizations remain in early-stage experimentation. Only a small percentage have reached high maturity levels in AI usage. Governance frameworks are crucial as organizations with formal AI policies report better outcomes. Key barriers include data privacy, budget constraints, and regulatory compliance. The path forward involves intentional systems design, better integration, and clear governance to enhance AI's effectiveness in the workplace. After organizations, we turn to adoption. Consumer AI adoption is rapidly transforming search, shopping, and creativity, with significant changes expected by 2026. Matt Britton, founder of Suzy, discusses these trends on the Speed of Culture podcast. AI is eliminating barriers between imagination and execution, allowing individuals to create quickly without extensive resources. The Gen Alpha AI generation, growing up with AI, expects personalized and intuitive digital experiences. Britton emphasizes the fast pace of AI development, urging brands to adapt quickly to avoid outdated strategies. AI adoption begins in personal life, influencing enterprise change as employees bring new expectations to work. The knowledge economy shifts focus from memorization to judgment and context. AI-powered search changes internet navigation, rewarding relevance and specificity over brand size.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.